हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय न्यू यूट्यूब वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम जो कुछ केसेस जो रह गए थे उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। ये लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स हैं फैमिली लॉ की। हमने कुछ लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स पहली वीडियो में कर लिए थे, तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। और एक बात, इफ़ आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही हैं, आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो और आगे जो भी वीडियोस आएंगी तो आपको उनके रिगार्डिंग पता चलता रहेगा। और मैं वेरियस ऐसे टॉपिक्स जिनके ऊपर वीडियोस नहीं बनती और वो इन्फॉर्मेशन बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए ही होती है, उन टॉपिक्स के ऊपर वीडियोस लेके आ रही हूँ। इसलिए आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। चंद मुनिया वर्सेस वीरेंद्र कुमार सिंह कुशवाहा। Considering Section 7 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, marriage performed in absence of customary rites and ceremonies of either parties to marriage is not valid। कह रहे वो शादी वैलिड नहीं है जहाँ पे कस्टमरी राइट्स नहीं की गई और सेरेमनीज नहीं की गई। एंड मेयर इंटेंशन ऑफ द पार्टीज टू लिव टुगेदर एज हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ इज़ नॉट इनफ। और हस्बैंड वाइफ की इंटेंशन नहीं है ऐसे हस्बैंड वाइफ की तरह रहने की। Further, there is no scope to include a woman not lawfully married within the expression of wife in Section 125 of the Code should be interpreted to mean only a legally wedded wife। Next case है गणेश जी versus हस्तुबैन, where the wife on an account of structural malformation of vagina was not capable to have normal sexual intercourse, but she underwent surgical operation as a result of which she became capable of having sexual intercourse। It was held that she was not impotent। ये बहुत important केस है। लक्ष्मी वर्सेस बाबूलाल, wife had no vagina, but by a surgical operation an artificial vagina was constructed। The court held that did not remove wife's impotency। In Ganesh ji case there was vagina, but in this case there was नहीं। Jagdish versus Sheila, where immediately after marriage the husband lived for 3 nights and days in the same room which his wife and failed to consummate the marriage। It was a fair inference that non-consumption was due to husband knowing refusal arising out of incapacity, nervousness or hysteria। Prajapati versus Hastubai, barrenness and sterility marriages valid। Shivanti versus Bhaura, barrenness and sterility marriages valid। Corbett versus Corbett, marriage between same sexes is void ab initio। Sexual constitution of an individual is fixed by birth and cannot be changed either by the natural development or of organs of opposite sex or medical or surgical means। Mahendra versus Sushila, wife's admission of pre-marriage pregnancy when it is established that the petitioner had no access prior to marriage is sufficient in itself to establish the fact against her। Bhaurao Shankar Lokhande versus State of Maharashtra, essential ceremonies of Hindu marriages are invocation before the sacred fire and saptapadi। ये 2 सेरेमनीज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। Dr. N.A. Mukherjee versus State, a physician was prosecuted for bigamy। It was alleged that 3 ceremonies of marriage was performed। The court held that performance of such mock ceremonies of marriage doesn't constitute valid ceremonies, and therefore the prosecution for bigamy failed। Their mere intention of parties, however serious, will not make them husband and wife, and the accused will escape prosecution even if he deliberately performed a defective ceremony। P.V. Venkataramana versus State. The court held that any marriage between minors aged 13 and 9 is perfectly valid. Reason: Section 4 factum valid. A fact can not altered by a hundredth text. Seema versus Ashwani Kumar. The Supreme Court in this case directed the state governments. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को डायरेक्ट किया कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दैट मैरिजेस ऑफ ऑल persons who are citizens of India, जो लोग सिटीजन्स हैं इंडिया के, उनकी सारी शादी जो है बिलोंगिंग टू वेरियस रिलीजन, अलग अलग रिलीजन से बिलोंग करते हैं, डिनोमिनेशन शुड बी मेड कंपल्सरी रजिस्ट्रेबल इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव स्टेट वेयर सच मैरिजेस आर सोलेमनाइज्ड. उनकी शादी जिस जिस एरिया में जिस जिस स्टेट में हुई है वहाँ वहाँ वो अपने एरिया में अपनी शादी को रजिस्टर्ड करवाना उनके लिए कंपल्सरी कर दिया गया है, मतलब मैंडेटरी है उनके लिए. टी सरिता वर्सेस टी.वी. सुबह. Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act is unconstitutional. Reason: it is violation of right to privacy and right to life enshrined in Article 21 of Constitution of India. Harvinder Kaur versus Harmandir Singh Chaudhary. Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act is unconstitutional. In this case ये हेल्ड किया गया था. सरोज रानी वर्सेस सुदर्शन कुमार. The Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of Section 9 by saying that it serves a social purpose as an aid to the prevention of breakup of the marriage. Sushil Kumari Dung versus Prem Kumar. Here, a petition for restitution of conjugal right is filed by the husband, and the husband accuses his wife for adulterous conduct, following which he filed another petition for judicial separation, which shows the extent of his sincerity and interest in keeping the wife with him. So the Delhi High Court set aside the decree of restitution granted by the lower court. सुरेश्ता देवी वर्सेस ओम प्रकाश 1991 का केस है ये. The Supreme Court settled the controversy by ruling that at the time of second motion under Section 13B Hindu Marriage Act, one of the parties of the marriage withdraws the consent given to the petition, and then decree for divorce on mutual consent cannot be passed. इसमें ऐसे कहा गया जैसे सेक्शन 13B है इस हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट का, इसमें हम म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से डाइवोर्स ले सकते हैं. दोनों पार्टी का म्यूचुअली कंसेंट होना चाहिए डाइवोर्स के लिए. इफ़ कोई भी एक पार्टी उसमें से अपना कंसेंट विदड्रॉ कर लेती है तो फिर वहाँ पे ये 13B एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. जो डाइवोर्स है की डिग्री है उसमें म्यूचुअल कंसेंट में पास नहीं कर सकते. बिपिन चंद्रा जय सिंघबाई शाह वर्सेस Prabhavati AIR 1957. The Supreme Court held that for the offence of desertion, so far as the deserting spouse is concerned, two essential conditions must be there, namely the factum of separation and two, intention to bring cohabitation permanently to an end desidendi. Similarly, two elements are essential so far as the deserted spouse is concerned: the absence of consent and absence of conduct giving reasonable cause to the spouse leaving the matrimonial home to form the necessary intention aforesaid. Next case है Oxford versus Oxford. A wife who allows her to be artificially inseminated with semen provided by a person other than her husband is not guilty of adultery. Subbarama versus Saraswati. After midnight in her bedroom in actual physical juxtaposition is a adultery. Rajesh Kumar Singh versus Rekha Singh. Rape cannot be ground of divorce. Sexual intercourse has to be consensual for it to be a ground of divorce. Russell versus Russell. Conduct of such a character as to have caused danger to life, limb or health, bodily or mental, or as to give rise to a reasonable apprehension of such danger. Naveen Kohli versus Neelu Kohli. The Supreme Court observed that the conduct complained of should be grave and weighty. It be such that no reasonable person should tolerate it. It should not be ordinary wear and tear of marriage. नेक्स्ट केसेस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. ऐसे ही वीडियो को देखते रहना, ये पार्ट्स में वीडियो आएगी. इफ आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, कमेंट भी करना, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.